In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your account name on Notion. This is a straightforward process, but it's always helpful to have a step-by-step guide to ensure you know exactly what to do. Notion is a fantastic tool for organizing your life, your work, and everything in between, and having your account information up to date is one of those small yet essential tasks that can help keep things organized and personal. First, go ahead and open Notion on your preferred device. It's important to start from the home screen to ensure you're completing each step correctly. Once you have the app open, direct your attention to the lower left corner of your screen. Here you'll see your profile picture or avatar. Clicking this will open up a menu that will help us get to where we need to be. After you've clicked on your profile picture, a menu will appear before you. Within this menu, you'll want to locate and then select the Settings option. This area is like the control center for your personal information and preferences on Notion. Once you're in the Settings section, the next step is to navigate to the My Account tab. Once you're in your account settings, keep an eye out for a field labeled Name. This field indicates the current name associated with your Notion account. Changing this is as simple as clicking into the field and typing your desired new name. Make sure it's something you want to keep, as this name will display across Notion wherever your information appears. It's worth noting that Notion typically saves these types of changes automatically. However, it's always a great idea to double check before exiting. A tip for you: sometimes if changes aren't reflecting immediately, it might just take a moment or two to process. So, a bit of patience can go a long way. If you've followed these steps, congratulations, you've successfully updated your account name in Notion. It's a small detail, but personalizing your workspace can make a big impact on how you feel when using the platform. Whether you're doing it for personal branding reasons or just ready for a fresh start, updating your name is as simple as that. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have more tasks in Notion that you'd like to streamline, be sure to check out our other videos for more tips. Remember, keeping your digital life organized is just as important as your physical space. Until next time, happy organizing.